Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a Gmail account by phone number. So guys, at first go to your Google app and then tap on the search bar and search Find My Account. Now tap on the first option, Find Your Email. Now you have to enter your phone number here. And after entering your phone number, just tap on Next. Now just give your first and last name here. And after giving, just tap on Next. Then tap on Send. And now a verification code will be sent to your phone number. And you need to enter the code here. And after entering the code, just tap on Next. And guys, then your account will be shown here and you can find your account. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can find Gmail account by phone number very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.